We are optimistic that in the next few weeks, because I'm saying this because I'm sure having been on lockdown level 3, coming from level 1, everybody is asking, when are we going back to level 1, where we can have less restrictions, where there can be more movement, more activities in the businesses, the restaurants, and so on. I want to assure you that the government, led by President Ramaphosa through his various structures, the National Coronavirus Council and Cabinet, are very sensitive to these matters. But at the same time, as the President always says, we have to balance between saving lives and saving livelihoods. On the one hand, we know that the virus only travels through us as people. On its own, it doesn't travel. So when there is high levels of infection, as government, we do our best to try and reduce mobility of people. Now, the only way we can reduce mobility is through these various restrictions, including curfews and various aspects of that. So we are discussing this on a weekly basis. We are reviewing. Now, we are encouraged by the declining numbers. We will do our analysis from the Health Department, also advised by our Ministerial Advisory Committee. And if there is indeed a sustained decline, we are hoping that KZN also will start to decline. Also, Eastern Cape will stabilize, because the rest of the country generally is on a downward stabilization. So we will continue to assess this. We will give a report to the President and the team of leadership in the next week. And if indeed, also with the advice of our experts, if it becomes clear that there is stability and the infection rates are definitely stabilizing, we will give the necessary advice. So you can look forward to some more relaxations, but that would still mean that it's going to be our responsibility, all of us, to observe the protocols. But I want to assure the nation that we are not oblivious of the pressure of the restrictions at current level 3. So we will give the necessary advice to our leadership in government to see whether there might be an opportunity to go lower down.